This is how my house look every single day of the week, except on Monday it's worse. I think it's because my husband, my kids are home on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And girl, ain't nobody got time to clean in those days, okay? Anyway, guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and like this video for more. And if you need some cleaning motivation, keep on watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the kitchen because it is the messiest place in the house for now, at least for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and use those Mayors all-purpose cleaners. I heard they pretty good, so let's see what's the hype is. But first thing, I'm gonna start with some laundry, so by the time I get in the living room, all my clothes can be dry and be ready to fold and put away. So that's what I'm gonna do first. I just got home from work. I'm gonna shower first though. Let's go. Right now, I'm just gonna clear out the table so I can wipe the table, and I can also wash the tablecloth. I don't know why I have so many dirty dishes, but I always do.
I know every color bleeds into the same. Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. You're a wonder just like me. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Yeah, you better know where you're going.
Right now, I'm wiping down those chairs. They have foods, hand marks, fingerprints, whatever you can think of in those chairs. Every time, like after dinner or breakfast or lunch, you always have to wipe them down because they get so dirty with 3 kids touching them, putting food on them and stuff. That's what I'm doing now. And hey.
Never up, never down, never like a theme in a...
I finished empty the dishwasher. Now I'm just gonna rinse those dishes that's in the sink and put them inside the dishwasher and start it, just a new load and stuff. And then I'm gonna try to clean the counter.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done, but when I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. Clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore.
Conqueror. Hello, how are you? Well, it's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope, yeah, I hope.
Pretty much done with the kitchen, guys. Right now I'm just mopping real quick. It took me like 2 minutes or less to mop the kitchen because with this new floor it's just easier. We used to have tile before and it was a pain in the neck to mop, so I am in love with this floor.
Out of time.
Hello from the other
done with the kitchen. It is nice to be in here now. Anyway, one of my goals this year is to try to keep this house like clean and organized. I know it's gonna be the hardest thing to do with 3 kids and a husband and things like that, but I'm gonna try my best, and if they try to help me do it, it's gonna work. But if not, then I guess I'm just gonna give up, because I get so discouraged when I finish cleaning something and then 2 hours later it's like I never even touch it and stuff. But we're gonna try our best to do that. Anyway, right now I'm gonna go ahead and do the living room, because I have a lot of things to do in the living room. But first thing I'm gonna do is start folding all the clothes that I wash and put them away.
Though times it seems like I'm coming undone, this world can often feel lonely. No matter what, until this race is won, I will stand my ground where hope can be found. I will stand my ground where hope can be found. Above all the lies, no matter what I face, this I know in time, you'll take all that is wrong and make it right. You'll take all that is wrong and make it right. Your strength is fine.
Right now, what I'm gonna do is vacuum this rug. I love this rug so much because it's so easy to clean. I'm also gonna go ahead and wipe down the coffee table and the console table and then finish with the living room. What I'm trying to do now is every day when I get home from work in the morning, before I go to sleep, I try to clean the living room and the kitchen. I just took 1 hour for that, and then I go to bed. But if I go to bed before I do any of that, that's mean the house is not gonna be clean for the day. So anyway, I hope you guys get up and do some cleaning, and if you don't feel like it too, that's okay. Don't let nobody put pressure on you that you need to have a clean house every day, because people just don't know.
In time, you'll take all that is wrong and make it right. You'll take all that is wrong and make it right. Make it right. Make it right, right. I will stand my ground. I will stand my ground. I will stand my ground where hope can be found. I will stand my ground where hope can be found. Oh Lord, I know you hear my cry. Your love is lifting me above all the lies. No matter what I face, this I know in time, you'll take all that is wrong and make it right. You'll take all that is wrong and make it right. Make it right. Make it right, right.
I am all done with the living room, guys. It smells so good in here. I don't know why it took me so long to try those Meyer's all-purpose cleaner, but the lavender one, it smells so good. That's my favorite one. And now I can finally go to sleep. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on Wednesday. I try to post 1 video a week every Wednesday, and I'm gonna keep trying because hey, why not? So if you are new here and not subscribed yet, please do so and like this video for more, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye.
You take all that is wrong and make it